In the heart of Pasay City, among the niches of Sergeant Mariano Public Cemetery, lies a beacon of hope for marginal students. Project Lingap. Laging inaakay, nililingap, ginagabayan ang mga pag-asa ng bayan. A 21st Century Teachers Initiative project way back 2022 that aimed at addressing the learning gap within the Philippine educational system, especially the learning loss during pandemic. With the primary goal of arresting the ongoing decline in children's numeracy and literacy skills by providing targeted educational support. This project operates under the belief that education should be universally accessible and continuous, aligning with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal number 4, which promotes quality education for all, and United Nations Sustainable Development Goal number 1, end poverty in all its forms everywhere to uplift socio-economic mobility as a crucial step towards breaking the cycle of poverty. Now, in its third successful year, Project Lingap has already made a significant impact. The program has enhanced the literacy and numeracy skills of 150 learners, bridging the gap between them and their more privileged peers. This improvement not only boosts their academic performance but also ignites their passion for learning, drastically reducing the number of street children in the area. Project Lingap is more than just an educational program. It embodies the essence of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal number 4, which advocates for quality education for all. Its success has attracted support from key stakeholders, including DepEd Pasay and the Pasay City LGU, and has expanded its reach to include nearby areas in Pasay City. But the true power of Project Lingap lies in its community-driven approach. By fostering collaboration among local entities, the program proves that children from even the most challenging backgrounds can overcome their circumstances with the right support and care. It stands as a testament to the idea that every child, regardless of their environment, has the potential to excel in education and in life. Project Lingap is a shining example of how collective action can lead to transformative change. By providing essential educational foundations and nurturing a belief in the limitless potential of every child, this initiative is empowering the next generation and paving the way for a brighter, more inclusive future.